Welcome to the Scientific Publications channel. We've been discussing the key sections of a scientific paper using the IMRAD structure, and today we reach one of the most important parts, the discussion section. This is where you explain the meaning of your results, compare them with other studies, and identify what still needs to be explored in the future. In this video we will discuss how to structure the discussion section correctly, how to analyze and explain your findings, common mistakes authors make, and how to make your discussion convincing for reviewers. So let's get started. Imagine you have discovered something new, but don't explain why it matters. If your results are unclear, your research may go unnoticed, even if your findings are valuable. The discussion section is not just about repeating data, it's about deep analysis. How do your results relate to previous studies? What do they mean for the scientific community? What are the limitations of your study? And what future research should be done? This section is usually between 1000 and 2000 words, depending on the journal's requirements. To make your discussion clear and logical, include the following elements. Number 1. Summary of main findings. Start with a short summary of your key findings, but do not repeat the results section. Good example here is: our findings show that using AI in education significantly improves students' understanding of complex topics. Common mistake here is to write 300 students participated in the experiment and 150 of them use the AI tutor. This belongs to the results section, not discussion. Number 2. Comparison with other studies. A key part of the discussion is comparing your results with previous studies. Do your findings support other research? Do they contradict existing data? And why might your results be different? Example here is: our results are consistent with the study of Dr. Smith in year 2021, for example, which also showed that interactive learning methods improve students' performance. And mistake here will be: our results are interesting, but we did not compare them with other studies. Number 3. Discussion of limitations. No research is perfect. Be honest about any factors that may have influenced your results. Was the sample size too small? Were the research methods limited? Were the external factors that affected the data? Example here is: the study was conducted in only one university, so the findings may not apply to other institutions. And mistake here is: there were no limitations of our study. This makes reviewers question your objectivity. And number 4. Practical implications and future research. At the end of the discussion section, explain how your results can be used in practice and suggest directions for future research. Example here is: our results can help universities develop new teaching methods. Future studies should examine other factors such as students' backgrounds. Mistake here is: further research is needed. Too vague. Be specific about what needs to be studied next. Common mistakes in the discussion section. Repeating results without analysis. The discussion should explain the meaning of the data, not just repeat it. Then, no references to other studies. Your findings should be supported by other scientific sources. Then, to general conclusions. Avoid vague statements. Provide specific insights. And the last one, ignoring limitations. Reviewers expect you to acknowledge potential weaknesses in your study. The discussion section is where you turn your results into a meaningful scientific contribution. To make it strong, you should compare your findings with previous results, analyze possible limitations, show the practical value of your research, and avoid common mistakes we mentioned before. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to our channel. In the comments section, tell us what is the hardest part of writing the discussion for you. Also, you should check out our previous video about the IMRAD structure. And see you in the next videos.